Hello, mathematicians. How's everybody doing? Did some great work yesterday. Today, we're going to do the chapter practice, which is like the review because tomorrow is Show What You Know Day. So there's a lot of pages. You can take a break if you need it. I'm just going to go through and give you the directions because you pretty much know what to do and you don't need to wait for me as we go. So I'm going to share my screen. You're going to need your chapter 5 practice from your book. All right, so you're going to put your name right here on the top, on the front. All right, for number 1 here by the apple, see these counters? You have to count each one. How many yellows? Part of them are yellow, part of them are red. How many counters are there all together? And write them there. Okay, now remember, after each problem, as you do it, you can press that pause or touch the middle of your iPad, and then the pause will pop up and touch it, okay? And then I'll just keep going. And then you just press the middle of your iPad again and press the triangle, and that will start me again, okay? All right. All right, so for number 2, part of these doggies are this kind. Part of them are this kind, wink, wink. How many of each kind and how many doggies are there all together? If you don't see any doggies like this, what does that mean? How many are there? 0. Okay, just making sure. Oh, and now we're going to take that same job and we're going to use it in a number bond. So press pause if you're not done with the doggies. Part of these are red. Part of them are yellow. How many counters all together? Okay, on this page, you're doing number bonds. Fill in the parts and the whole for each number bond. Look carefully and think about where the parts and where the whole go. Count carefully. Remember how we did our, and then when we count them all, we go back and there should be an X. Hint, hint. Count the parts and the whole for those number bonds. If you finish the other page, guess what? Same job. Some of the turtles are hiding in their shells. Some are not. Fill in the parts and the whole for the number bond. Some of these bows are tied and some of them are curled. Fill in the parts and the bows all together, the whole. You have 10 buttons. You have to make 2 groups. Circle your groups. Should be easy for me to tell how you sorted them. How did you make your groups? Did you do by shape? Did you do by color? Did you do by size? Circle your groups. I'll be able to figure it out. Part of them were of one thing, part of them were another. How many all together? All right, last page. This is just like yesterday's with the hand game, right? There's 5. How many more do you have to draw to make 9? There's 5. How many more do you need to draw to make 7? And then down here, Newton has 5 balloons. Descartes has fewer balloons than Newton. This sure sounds familiar, doesn't it? Draw Descartes' balloons and then fill in the number bond. And that's it for today. I know I went fast. If you missed parts and you didn't press pause, the good thing about having a video is you can play it again. You can rewind. You can ask somebody to help you rewind and play it again. Take your time. Do your best. Can't wait to see some amazing math. Off you go.